How to integrate n8n with Make. So n8n is an automation platform. Make is also an automation platform, so they serve the same purpose. So if you want to integrate those two together, you just need to create right here a webhook. Click onto this plus icon, search right here for webhook, and then click onto this. This will serve as n8n as a trigger. It will give you right here the test URL as well as production URL. Proceed to copy that and on your make just paste this URL from there. So with this, you can actually connect two processes into two products or two softwares. So on some cases, people will find it cost worthy or not so efficient because since the two applications save the same purpose, they actually is not so efficient anymore since you can just choose one to save some time. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.